Give me, sis. Let me. Give me now. Let me. What are you saying?
Wait.
No.
Wait now.
Guys, pray for me. Pray for me, oh, everybody. Today is about to be a day that drama is about to happen. So, sometimes back, I don't know, my husband wasn't around, so, ignore my hair, babe. My husband wasn't around. So I called in and we were talking. I just told him casually that, Blossom just fell. I mean, Blossom fell today. The way he responded, hey, what do you mean? Blossom fell? What are you doing? Like, he was shouting so much. I was just in my head. She fell. Like, it's a normal falling for children to fall. Like, the normal falling. See the way this man was shouting. And I tell you that she did not fall. I was just trying to tease you. And that is how this man just told me, I beg, don't play that kind of play with me. So today I want to play that kind of play with him. Pray for me, oh. I want to prank him. I want to tell him he's not yet back, but I called him and he said he's on his way. He's very close to the house. So I want to prank him and tell him that Blossom fell. I was thinking of telling him that Blossom fell from 2-story building. I was thinking of telling him that Blossom fell from our upstairs to the down, because we stay in a 2-story building and we are on the second floor. I was thinking of telling him that Blossom fell from the upstairs to the down, but hey, that one, the man go carry class from here did they come. So I don't know. I'm just going to tell him that Blossom fell from the staircase. Yeah, I'm going to tell him that Blossom fell from the staircase. So she crawled out and then she fell, because this girl, once you leave the door open, the way she. So anyways. See our objects of the prank here. I can see. So God, when daddy comes back, we are going to prank him. And when he comes back, I'm going to tell him that you fell from the upstairs, like you fell from the stairs. I'm going to tell him that I left the door open and then you crawled out. Can you listen to me, madam? And as you crawled out, you now rolled and you fell. So when he comes back, you're going to start crying. Do you understand? Blo, do you understand? You start crying. Cry so that he's going to believe what I'm saying. If you don't cry, he will not believe me. I don't want you to laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Oh. So, I'm going to be applying you this thing now. This one is a blush, but I'm going to make it look like it is blood. You understand how blood used to be? It will be like blood clot in your eyes. So here's my blush. See how this girl is glowing. So I'm going to put it where? On her eyes like this. Show them. You see, hey, Blossom has fallen down. Let me put small so that your skin is not going to react to it. But we are going to bathe you when we are done. Can you see your face? Blossom fell down. So this is how it is going to be. It's not showing on the camera very well, though. Hi, Mama, this thing is very fine on you. Baby, look at them so that they will see your blush. Yeah, Blossom. So we are done now. Blossom, you're going to cry. When you see your daddy, you cry. In fact, it's like I'm going to be this girl, because this girl, she hardly cries. The only time she will argue with us is when she wants to eat. So we are done. Good. This is what I want you to do. Very good. Cry. Cry. You have to cry. Exactly. But good. I want you to do this when your daddy comes, not now. But be practicing, yeah? Exactly. Good girl. You see this girl? Who told you that this guy is not an actor? Practice makes perfect, so you have to keep it up. So now we are going to go and set up in the parlor. We're going to go and set up in the sitting room, because I want, as he's coming inside the house, he's jamming us and he's confused. So pray for us, guys. Let this go as planned, and let them not send me packing. Rate our makeup. This is what I want you to do when you see your daddy. Do you understand? If not, I will pinch you and you will cry. So let's go. God help me. Guys, we are set now. I just called him now and he said it's very, very close. He said it's very, very close at the gate. So we are just about to set up. I'm going to stay here and then let's go. And then my baby, let's start. Let me check. Cry now. Hey.
How do you doing?
Welcome.
Welcome. Oh, there. What
She
is
has
wrong?
been crying since.
Crying?
Take.
What happened?
Eh?
What happened to her?
Nothing.
Child is nothing. Her eye is red. Didn't I say nothing? I didn't get nothing. Huh?
Nothing happened to her.
Did she fall?
No.
Child be saying no. Mother? Her eyes are red. Didn't I say no? What do you mean by that? Did she fall?
She no fall.
She fell down. What
She
are you
did
saying?
not fall. Please, I don't know
Hey,
what
girl,
happened.
please. What is wrong with her? Why is her eyes red? Tell me, what's happened? Eh?
It's the devil.
Try to be devil again. Wait. Let me call this man.
Which
Shut
one
up.
now? It's the
The
devil.
man call this my dog. Huh? What do you mean by the devil?
It's the devil. It's the devil. I was in the room. Then I
And
left.
she has been crying since, Abby.
She fell from the stairs.
From step? How now?
I don't know how it happened. But I think she's fine. I press her hot water.
Let me call this man.
Which man?
That doctor from. What were you doing when the child?
I was in the room. I keep am for here. Make she dey waka. I don't know say she don't.
And you know, sir, I've told you that this girl, she can crawl to that
I don't
outside.
know say she dey crawl go that side.
What didn't I tell you yesterday?
But it's just a
Stop.
small. It's a minor thing.
And all her eyes, one part of her eyes is red. You know, see this mine. What is mine about this thing? Huh?
But she was laughing. I don't think it's serious.
No. See, she's in distress now.
She's not in distress. That's how she has been
Wait,
doing.
let
Give
me-
me her.
Dress up. Let's go to that. Let's go to the hospital. What if she had an injury in the what's it called, internal injury?
She don't get any internal injury.
And these things are this. I would say how warm is, and this is not blood.
It's not.
Let me go and dress now. Let's go now. Which one is? Why are you here now?
Please forgive me.
Do. Let's go. Look at mama. So go and dress. Let's go. Let me call this man.
Call which man, Kwana?
Let me call Doctor. Ibe. Let me know whether he's around. So I will go and see. You will see her.
I don't think that's the problem. The
Go and
problem
dress
is,
now. Let's
I think
go.
she needs money.
What do you mean she needs money?
She's hungry.
She's wrong.
Like
Why
it's
is
not
it?
even hunger. She needs money.
Oh, did you tell me that? What did she want his money to do? All her food and everything there is finished. Listen, my friend, go and dress up. Let's go now.
Just forgive her. Just give us money. Okay, give me the money. Let me take her to the hospital.
You're not. Just
Give me the money.
give
Let
me.
take
Since
her.
let
Wait
me.
now.
Give me now. Let me. What are you saying? Now?
Wait.
No. What are you doing? What is this girl doing? Sir? What are you doing?
Give me the money. Let me take her to the hospital. So that
Like I can't take her to the hospital or what?
You can take her, but let me take her to the hospital now. Wait now.
Since you don't want to go, don't worry. Leave it. But let's go.
Let me take her to
No,
the hospital.
leave. Should be no longer, Abi. Now carry am go.
Wait now.
What are you saying, sir?
It's a prank.
What do you mean by the prank? Wait now, what do you mean by the prank?
Wait now, sit down, Kwane. It's a prank now.
Try to be prank. You don't start this thing
When
with
you
I
want to
don't
take
like
my
this
child?
guy. Why did you do this kind of thing for this girl?
I don't do anything now.
Try to say it's a prank.
See the kind girl, she not even crying. It's a prank now. You know see? Is it discolored? It's blush I use.
Blush.
That
Okay, blush.
makeup thing now.
You made my baby up.
Yes.
For it to go.
Belly.
Which one be better one?
I would have had that thing now so that it will look like she fell down.
No, wait.
No,
Please.
I'm just in the dance.
Why you go prank me like this now? Why would you prank me?
You that wait
That
oh.
is prank.
Now prank, like no prank.
Where you carry the camera keep going?
Can't for back of the. Wait, why even check whether I can record God of Ventures? Thank God. See, Pikin, why I talk say when I don't explain this prank to her, tell her say when you come, make she do like say she dey cry, and I dey cry with this way she dey cry. No, now you do this prank. Why you come dey shout for me? Pikin not supposed for.
I'm beginning to solve. Supposed to.
You not supposed for.
Why is it? Where is it written?
But if Pikin for, is it not a normal thing?
There are things we can afford. One can.
That
afford.
day that I told you that she failed, the way you were shouting at me, I can't say okay. So Pikin, you when you small, you know for.
Not make this one for.
Oh why? This one an egg.
Not the past egg. Which is the egg?
So Pikin when they fall, uncle.
Don't make her fall.
Now they make Pikin know they strong. You know, say as the Pikin they fall, you know they strong.
No, that's not it. She might see a lot of things can come up from her. What if she injure herself?
That is part of the inbuilt.
This is not anything.
It's because this baby is in the city. You say she did village, but don't they go far by now. They will keep her for ground.
How are you? Yeah.
I don't know whether she's trying to act along or
The mom
what.
is bracket. Is she hungry?
Hungry with the person I don't, you know they say her belly. Person I don't feed. Anyway, it's a prank. Oh.
I don't like that kind of prank.
Are you sure?
Don't prank me like this next time.
Eh.
I'm not the hide this camera. You go forward this. You go forward this your camera. Won't you? You fall out.
So you said this girl fell through from staircase.
The first staircase.
She rolled, she tumbled.
You know, there's no way she will not
Injured.
injure now.
Anyway, it's a prank. Oh, I beg.
Sorry, mom.
Don't fall.
Don't give her water or something.
I don't give her water. Please, let me end my video.
Give her water.
Guys, this is the end of the video. I don't know if I acted. Do you think I acted well? In fact, let me even ask you.
At some point, I was feeling like
But was I serious?
you were kind of no. I feel you were just a little bit serious because me, I was just taking her serious first. I was not.
Why even the girl know them? Anyway, Sha, you know this girl too, she's very strong. Even when she's in pain, you will not even know because you get that she dey do.
That was another thing that made myself feeling that is it a prank or could this be true? But at the same time, I concluded that it's not a prank. So I wanted to see how best. Let's take her to the hospital. I mean, what's wrong with you now?
Did you fall through shoe? Don't make that.
Sure, say this girl no fall.
You don't start. You don't start. She not fall anything. I think she wants to sleep.
No.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and let me know my act in the comment section. Did I do well, or I'm a clown? Thank you for acting along.
Why you beat that girl?
Why I not go beat her?